In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the GTA 5 corrupt game data error. Now the first thing you should try and do is check if you have any mods installed. Sometimes if you have a mod installed, this can cause the issue. So if you have those installed, try and uninstall and see if it works after that. If that still doesn't work, the other thing we can try and do is that we can verify the game files. So if you're using Steam, you want to head to your library, right click, Properties, Installed Files, and verify the game files. If you're using Epic Games, you want to head to Epic Games, click on the three dots, and there will be a Manage button. Now you can't see it because the game is installing, but there will be a Manage button, and then you can verify the files from in there. After doing this, the game should hopefully work. Otherwise, and this is unfortunate, but the last solution is to reinstall the game. And since it's GTA, it can take a long time, but that way it can be fixed. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.